My stepfather made this contraption with the John Deere trailer and a rain barrel. And what it does is it has a hose that comes over here so that I can water plants that don't have irrigation. And the hose is long enough to fit to some. So I planted a bunch of jasmine here, and it doesn't really get watered unless in the winter, because it doesn't rain here in the winter. It's desert season, and so we have to come out here and water it. I'm not even showing it on the camera. So we have to come out and water it during desert season here, because otherwise it won't get any water. And these are new jasmine, but they look like they're doing fine. Of course, it's going to take a year or two for it to really blossom and cover this whole fence, which is the intent. So basically, we pull the UTV, and he's got this spigot control here. And, oops, shut that off. And I don't know how he just mounted it to the trailer. I guess he put a hole in here, and so that the hose can go through with a spigot, and then he just latches it on to here, and it's got an overflow because we just overflowed it and it came into here. But anyway, it works really nice for all the plants out here that don't have irrigation. So I have a whole line down this easement, and I'm going to continue to water the rest of them.